Every year, the watch world gathers for what many call the Oscars of horology, the Grand Prix d'Horlogerie de Genève, or GPHG. And for 2025, the winner of the most prestigious award, the Aiguille d'Or, wasn't a hyper-complication, it wasn't ultra-thin, and it wasn't a six-figure mechanical flex. Instead, the crown went to something much more meaningful, something deceptively simple. This is the story of the Breguet Classique Souscription 2025, now officially the best watch of the year. The GPHG is the highest honor a watch can receive. Dozens of watches compete across categories: chronographs, complications, mechanical exceptions, divers, and more. In the end, only one takes home the Aiguille d'Or. In recent years, ultra-complicated and ultra-thin watches have dominated. AP's Royal Oak QP Ultra Thin, Piaggio's Altiplano Ultimate Concept, and Bulgari's Octo Finissimo Perpetual Calendar. Last year, IWC's astronomically impressive Portugieser Eternal Calendar swept the stage. But 2025 breaks the pattern. The jury shifted direction. Instead of rewarding raw complexity, they paid homage to the foundation of watchmaking itself and to the man who shaped modern horology, Abraham Louis Breguet. 2025 marks the 250th anniversary of Breguet. The entire year is a celebration of his inventions, from the tourbillon to the Breguet balance spring to the subscription watch system that revolutionized how timepieces were sold. So when Breguet released a modern reinterpretation of those original Souscription watches, the industry took notice. The Breguet Classique Souscription 2025 is the purest expression of the brand's roots. A single-hand watch, no complications, just time expressed with absolute elegance. It features a redesigned, perfectly proportioned case in Breguet gold, a historically accurate Grand Faux enamel dial, that iconic single hand sweeping across the dial, and a movement designed to echo the architecture and aesthetic of antique Souscription pocket watches. On paper, simple. On the wrist, it's a masterclass in restraint, tension, and historical fidelity. Every detail, every hand-finished bevel, every plate shape, every screw placement feels like a conversation between Breguet's past and its future. This watch isn't shouting for attention, it whispers, and that's exactly why it stands out. This victory is a message. Watchmaking excellence isn't only about the most complications or the thinnest movement. Sometimes the hardest thing to achieve is purity. A single-hand enamel dial time-only watch winning the Aiguille d'Or is a poetic reminder that simplicity, when executed perfectly, is its own form of complexity. And honestly, this is the perfect tribute to Breguet's 250th anniversary. So that's the story of the Breguet Classique Souscription 2025, the watch that surprised the industry and won the highest honor in watchmaking. Do you think the jury made the right call? Should a simple, single-hand Breguet beat all of the high-complication giants? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give the video a like, subscribe for more watch deep dives, and, as always, stay timeless.
Every year the lights go bright, the world of time steps into sight. The stage is set, the curtain drawn, but this year something different shone. Not the thinnest, not the bold, not a watch worth rooms of gold. No tourbillon to steal the stage, no labyrinthic escapement cage. Just a single hand that moves with grace, a quiet pulse, a measured pace. The jury paused and then aligned, choosing heart instead of mind. 250 years of flame, a legacy carved in Breguet's name. Sometimes the loudest thing to hear is silence speaking crystal clear. Souscription keeps the perfect time. Not complexity, but so refined. A masterpiece of pure design. When the world runs fast, it dares to slow. A single hand that seems to know the beauty in the simplest line. A quiet revolution in time. Grand view white like porcelain snow. A dial where ancient stories glow. A case of gold in perfect form. A craft reborn from centuries worn. Every bevel kissed by hand. Every screw placed where ghosts once stand. It isn't trying to impress. Its power is in gentleness. In every curve, in every plate, a whisper from a past so great. The kind of art that doesn't fade. A tribute lovingly remade. Oh, let it whisper, let it shine. The souscription keeps the perfect time. Not complexity, but so refined. A masterpiece of pure design. When the world shouts loud, it softly speaks. Watch that moves through silent peaks. A single hand, a steady climb. A quiet revolution in time. Some say greatness must amaze. Break the limits, push the craze. But sometimes truth is most profound in things that barely make a sound. This is craft, this is devotion. This is stillness set in motion. Watch the breeze, the past anew. A lesson in what hands can do. So let it whisper, let it shine. The GPHG made its headline. A simple watch, a perfect sign. That purity is so divine. When the giant stood in line that night, it took the crown with quiet light. A single hand, a soul designed. A quiet revolution in time. In the silence of the watchmaker's art, the smallest hand can move the heart. Stay timeless, stay refined. Let your story move one hand at a time.